Oh, hi. I'm Mrs. Trotter. I'm going to be showing you on how to make some Filipino chicken adobo, along with some yummy steamed rice. So I start with, of course, like with a big pot like this, and this must be like around, I would say, probably about 2 pounds of boneless chicken thigh. Um, and I like using it like that. But there are some people that love the bones, the with bones in it, because it makes an extra very good flavor with the adobo. Now I just cut it into these pieces, and then I'm gonna start with probably like a medium high. Okay. Um, this is white vinegar, like about quarter cup of it, and a quarter cup of dark soy sauce. I use the more of like the dark Chinese soy sauce. Okay. And then I add the onions. This is like a half of like a big Walla Walla sweet onion. And some sliced garlic cloves, fresh garlic cloves.
And just simmering to get the flavor.
All right. Okay. These are bay leaves. Um, Probably another one. They're like probably you'll need like 4 or 5 pieces. They're about this size. And then I just crumble them. And this is oyster sauce. I would say this would be like almost like a fourth of a cup. But sometimes I add a little bit more to make a better flavor to it. I added a little bit of like a pinch of black pepper. And also um, just iodized salt.